Miss Blankenship had $80 to purchase school supplies for her class. She bought 32 glue sticks and 32 boxes of crayons. Each glue stick cost $1.40, and each box of crayons cost 59 cents. How much money did Miss Blankenship have left after these purchases? So what we really want to do here is figure out first what the total cost was of the crayons, and then the total cost of the glue sticks. We can combine those together, then find the sum of the total amount she spent, and it says at the end how much did Miss Blankenship have left after these purchases. Finally, multi-step here, we're going to have to subtract from this $80 she started with to see how much she has left over, or if she has anything left over. I feel like she does because all of our answers say she does, but you want to make sure that you don't come to any assumptions there. 32 boxes each is what she got. Crayons were 32 cents over here, or were 59 cents, excuse me, over there. And then glue sticks were $1.40. I put those right there. So let's go ahead and multiply these out, figure out how much each costs. So first thing we want to do is get our place value down, move my decimal back 2 spaces, and then multiply. 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 4 is 8, and 2 times 1 is 2. That makes me my 2, I'm finished with that. I can place a 0 in. And here I have 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 4 is 12, put a 2, carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. So we add it up. I get 0, 8, 4, 4. And don't forget the decimal place. It is right here, but I'm going to come back 2 places. And so I have 44.80 for glue sticks. And let's do the same thing for our crayons out here. I move 2 spaces over and then multiply. 2 times 9 there is 18. Carry the 1. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11. I'm going to 0 out there, place my 0. And then do 3 times 9, which is 27. Put a 7, carry a 2. And then 3 times 5, which is 15, 16, 17. Got things kind of neatly lined up. And then add here. 8 plus 0 is 0. 7 and 1 is 8. 7 and 1 is 8. Get my 1. Don't forget this right here. Decimal point is there. Come back 2 spaces, and I have 1888. So we know that Miss Blankenship here first spent 44.88 right here, 44.80 on glue sticks, 18.88 on crayons. We need to figure out what the sum of these two was. So we can add them together, subtract from 80, and we should get our answer. So 44.80 and 18.88. 44.80 and then 18.88. So get 8 plus 8 is 16. Get you 12 plus 1, which is 13. Carry the 1. 4, 1, and 1 is 6. So I'm showing, bring the decimal down, 63.68 was the total amount of money that Ms. Blankenship spent. So the question again said, how much money did Miss Blankenship have left after these purchases? So we're going to take the 63.68 and subtract it from the $80. And this is where you need to put 80 all the way across. And then we're going to have to borrow from the 7 because we can't do subtract from 0. So to get all the way across, we're going to turn this 8 into a 7. That's actually going to turn this into a 9, this into a 9, and then we borrow right there from that one to make a 10. So should be set up like that. 10 minus 8 on this side gets you 2. 9 minus 6 right there gets you 3. Bring down the decimal point. 9 minus 3 here is 6, and then 7 minus 1, 6, I'm sorry, is 1. So 1632 is what I'm showing is what she should have left over. Looks like that's my best answer right there. So just making sure you get these decimals combined accurately to begin with, and then subtract with those zeros borrowing the right way.